Are you tired of missing critical updates, feeling overwhelmed by a flood of irrelevant information, or constantly scrambling to keep track of what truly matters in your digital world? Imagine a system that intelligently filters, prioritizes, and delivers precisely the notifications and alerts you need, exactly when you need them. What if you could cut through the digital noise and regain control over your attention? That's precisely what we're going to explore today: Relay notifications and alerts. This isn't just another notification system, it's a paradigm shift in how you interact with information, designed to enhance your productivity, reduce stress, and ensure you're always in the loop without being inundated. We're going to embark on a comprehensive walkthrough, demystifying what relay notifications and alerts are, how they work, and most importantly, how you can leverage them to transform your digital experience. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. In today's hyperconnected world, we're constantly bombarded. Emails, instant messages, social media updates, system alerts, the sheer volume can be paralyzing. The traditional approach to notifications is often a blunt instrument: everything gets your attention, regardless of its importance. This leads to notification fatigue, where we either ignore everything or spend valuable time sifting through a deluge of irrelevant pings. Relay offers a smarter alternative. It's built on the principle of intelligent routing and contextual awareness, ensuring that your valuable attention is directed only towards what genuinely demands it. So, what exactly are relay notifications and alerts? At their core, they represent a sophisticated system for delivering timely and relevant information to you. Think of Relay as your personal digital concierge, understanding your preferences, priorities, and current context to deliver information in a way that minimizes disruption and maximizes impact. The relay in its name signifies its function. It relays crucial information from various sources to your preferred destinations, acting as an intelligent intermediary. The distinction between notifications and alerts within Relay is subtle but important. Notifications are generally informative, letting you know about an event or status change that might be of interest but doesn't necessarily demand immediate action. For example, a notification might inform you that a document has been updated or a new comment has been added to a thread. Alerts, on the other hand, are designed for events that require your immediate attention or action. These are typically time-sensitive or critical, such as a system error, a security breach attempt, or a deadline approaching. Relay's power lies in its ability to differentiate between these, ensuring that truly urgent matters cut through the noise. Let's begin our walkthrough by understanding the fundamental architecture of Relay. It operates on a source-to-destination model, with intelligent processing in between. Sources: Relay can pull information from a vast array of sources. This is where its versatility truly shines. Imagine integrating your email accounts, project management tools like Trello or Asana, CRM systems like Salesforce, communication platforms like Slack or Microsoft Teams, monitoring tools like Nagios or Datadog, social media feeds, news aggregators, and even custom applications through APIs. The goal is to centralize your information streams, giving Relay a comprehensive understanding of your digital ecosystem. Processing and filtering: this is the brain of Relay. Once information is ingested from various sources, Relay applies sophisticated rules, filters, and even machine learning algorithms to process it. This is where you define what constitutes important and how different types of information should be treated. You can set up rules based on keywords, sender, priority level, time of day, project, or any other metadata associated with the information. For instance, you might configure Relay to only alert you about emails from your CEO, or notifications from your project management tool only if they are marked as urgent. This intelligent processing is what transforms a deluge of data into actionable insights. Destinations: finally, Relay delivers the processed information to your preferred destinations. This is where you decide how you want to receive your notifications and alerts. Options are plentiful and can include email, traditional but reliable, especially for less urgent notifications. SMS/text message, ideal for critical alerts that demand immediate attention, even when you're away from your computer. Mobile app notifications, push notifications to your smartphone, leveraging the native notification system for quick access. Desktop notifications, pop-up alerts on your computer screen, often with customizable sounds. Collaboration platforms, direct messages or channel posts in Slack, Microsoft Teams, or other internal communication tools. Custom integrations. For developers, Relay often provides APIs to integrate with custom dashboards, internal systems, or even IoT devices. The beauty of Relay is that you're not limited to a single destination. You can set up different delivery methods for different types of information. A critical system alert might trigger an SMS, a mobile app notification, and a Slack message, while a routine project update might only go to your email. This multi-channel delivery ensures that you receive information in the most appropriate and effective way. Now, let's walk through a practical scenario to illustrate how Relay works in action. Imagine you're a project manager juggling multiple projects. Without Relay, you're constantly checking your email, various project management tools, and communication channels for updates. It's a fragmented and inefficient process. With Relay, you start by configuring your sources. You connect your project management software, e.g., Jira, your communication platform, e.g., Slack, and your email account. Next, you define your filtering rules. You might set up rules like: alert me via SMS and mobile app if any task assigned to me in Jira is marked blocked or critical. Notify me in Slack, private message, if a new comment is added to a Jira issue where I am the assignee. Send me an email summary every morning at 8 a.m. with all non-critical updates from all my projects. Only send me Slack notifications for messages in the #UrgentProject channel. You can also customize the content of the notifications. Instead of just a generic alert, Relay can pull specific details from the source, such as the task name, the project it belongs to, and the name of the person who made the update. This rich context allows you to understand the situation at a glance, without having to dig through multiple applications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.